In today's video, we will explore key maintenance tips to preserve the quality, maximize lifespan, and ensure optimal performance of our products. At Seeing Dome, we are committed to delivering high-quality cutting discs and grinding wheels that meet stringent customer standards. Check appearance. Skilled workers meticulously inspect each product to ensure no cracks or burns. This visual check guarantees product quality and integrate storage. Proper practices protect our products. Plastic packed or moisture prevention, store them in a clean, controlled environment free from heat and contaminants. Use protective covers, racks, or cabinets. By following these tips, preserve quality and maximize lifespan. Have questions or need support? Our knowledgeable team is here to assist. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about our high-quality cutting discs and grinding wheels and how to optimize their maintenance.